Hello and welcome to my first internship video. My name is Hamza. I'm a 1337 school student. I was a software engineer and intern at Collective Intelligence School, UM6P. UM6P is a Mohammed VI Polytechnic University located in Belgrade, founded by UCP Group in 2013. UM6P aims to improve the research, innovation, and training for Morocco and for Africa in general. During my internship, I worked with two researchers. Fatim Zahra bin Marakshi, Research and Education Fellow at UMCSP, and Kahal, Scientific Director and Assistant Professor at UMCSP, and also with Suad Liazi, Software Engineering Intern at 1337 student. We work on an interesting project. We give it name CoLearn. So CoLearn is a platform dedicated to help the autistic children and improve their communication and collaboration skills by playing online multiplayer games. We divided the process of developing of the platform in three parts. Like you see in this timeline graph, we started with building the game, then we started with creating the platform, and we go back to finish the game. For the platform, for the conception part, we use AML and diagram.net. For the design, we use Figma, and for the coding, we use for the front end React.js and Tailwind CSS. And for the backend, we use Express.js and Node.js. And we deploy the platform using DigitalOcean. For the game, for the conception of the game Train and Bridge, I used diagram.net, and for the design I use Balsamiq, and for the coding we use Unity engine using the programming languages C#. And we use for the multiplayer part Photon. And we export the game in multi devices. Like you can use the game in Windows or Mac OS or on WebGL, using WebGL. For my responsibility, in my internship, I have experienced many roles. I designed and I make conception and project architect. I built the game and the front end of the platform. We work as a team. Suad was responsible for developing the API using Express.js and Node.js. I designed the platform and I started creating using React.js and Tailwind. And do some the screenshot of the platform. Like you see, there is a landing page and sign-in page. And also, the platform has other function, like you can play the game under supervision of the mentor, or you can make a screen sharing of the presentation. For the game, my role was to developing the game of Train and the Bridge, and to ensure the collaboration using Photon SDK, and we use for this case Unity engine using C# language. And this is the demo. Here we display to the board of the player all the same, like you see, for the player 1 and for the player 2. For the main task for the player 1, he should control the train, how to control the train, until he find a broken bridge. So the player 2 should fix the bridge, like you see, he fixed it right now. Okay, for the player 1, he will complete the path as usual. We are able to understand the school needs and to build and deliver the best gameplay for the games and the best design for the platform. And for my experience, what I learned, I gain an understanding of the collaboration game and how to work as a team, and I become proficient in time management and structuring the project. And I acquire skills in web development and game development. And for my feedback, In general, the experience was good, and the work was done remotely due to COVID situation, and it wasn't expected to be this way. However, we got adapted to the remote work. The difficulty was mainly the lack of technical support, and not well estimated the time of the whole project to be done. Thanks for watching, and hope you liked the video, and see you soon.